Hey, it's Cornfu. I'm freezing. I've got a jacket on and I'm still cold. I love wintertime. I love snow. But honestly, not when I'm trying to film. Kind of sucks. I'm all jittery, stuttery. Well, I stutter anyway, but this is like making it worse. This week, we're going to make something in 3D using Cinema 4D R17. It's a whole lot of numbers and letters, but anyway, that's the version I have. It's a great program. It's a 3D program. We're going to time-lapse through me building something. Last year, I did a bunch of COVID masks. That sounds really boring and lame, but I try to make it cool. I didn't think we were still going to be wearing masks, but whatever. I made a bunch of masks Actually, I made these, and I had a lot of fun with it. So I want to do that again. So let's just jump in. Oh, I'm wearing my little COVID mask shirt that I made. Let's go jump in and do this. It'll be a lot of fun. hey, that was a lot of fun. So Spider-Man and a Black Panther. I have a couple more masks. If you want to see all the masks that I've done so far to date, on my Instagram page, Cornfu, if you look up the hashtag Cornfu Masks Series, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'll leave it in the description below. But if you go there and you look up that hashtag, you'll see all my masks in one big bundle of joy. I love Cinema 4D. There's probably a trillion different ways you can build the stuff that I built today, or light it, but that's how I know how to do it. And like I said, it gets the job done. This wasn't really a tutorial. It was just kind of a fly through, like, hey, here's how I do this. Hopefully you picked something up from it, or at least enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a like. And you know what? If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Let me know. Leave some constructive comments. I appreciate it. Thank you to all you who always watch and are encouraging me to keep doing this. I appreciate it. It feeds my ego. So I will see you next week. Yeah.